Do you want a shortcut to making money online? If so, this video's for you. Today, I'll show you a strategy that will allow you to make money in pure passive income. If you want to know how, then watch this video to the end and follow all of the steps. Now, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up so you don't miss out on any of the future videos. Click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's jump straight into it. Okay, so today's strategy involves this site right here on your screen. I reckon most of you have never heard about this platform before, so let me explain real quick what it is. Now, this is a site where you can make money online by completing various tasks like surveys, quizzes, and such. As you can see here, it says, turn your time into money. Now, before we go on, I want to make something clear. We won't be making money by completing surveys, quizzes, and whatnot. We'll be using this site to make money in a completely different way, in a manner that'll also pay us way more money. With that out of the way, if you scroll down, you'll see that they provide unlimited tasks for you to make money online. So the secret tool isn't like other make money online websites where you complete a few surveys, play a few games, and you're out of things to do. Moreover, if you come over to sitejabber.com, you'll be able to see that this website has a rating of 4.8 stars with nearly 700 reviews. This is arguably one of the best make money online sites today and one of the most legit ones as well, which is hugely important for us, and you'll see why soon enough. Anyways, back on the main site down here, you can see what specific tasks you can complete to make money. You can sign up to other websites, complete surveys, upload videos, invite friends and write articles about them. So, as you can see, they have quite a number of different ways for you to make money. You can also see that this website has nearly 1 million members and has delivered 1.5 million payments. Bear in mind that some of those payments may contain up to hundreds of dollars, so they've given away quite a bit of money most definitely. With all of that said, you can come into the site and read more about it, but I won't go over it anymore because I want to show you what you actually have to do when you come on here, which is to sign up and create an account. You can do that by clicking create an account right up here. On the next page, you'll need to enter in your first and last names, create a username, enter in your email address, create a password and confirm it, and finally click on sign up and create my account right here. Once you do all of this, what you need to do is come over to your Gmail account and open up a message like this from this website and click on this link to confirm that the email address you entered actually belongs to you. With that done, I'll now log into my own account so I can show you everything. Okay, so I've just logged into my account and this is what you'll see when you do so as well. And by the way, you'll get paid 50 cents just for creating an account, which is quite nice. On the left hand side here, you'll be able to see all of the things you can do to make money with this site, from creating videos to completing surveys. But like I said, we won't be making money in this fashion. You can of course do so to make a few extra bucks, but that won't be our main source of income here at all. Our main source of income is this website's referral system, and right here you can see a referral link. Now check this out. You get paid $3 per 1,000 clicks. Note that it says clicks, not sign-ups or purchases. People just need to click on your link, and this fact makes it much easier to make money with this website. On other websites where you refer people, in order to make money, they generally need to purchase something or sign up at the very least, which is simply not the case here. Now, I'll show you a way to generate traffic that will not just get you a few hundred clicks, but thousands of them at the very least, so you can make hundreds of dollars daily on complete autopilot, and the traffic source we'll use is called findtheforum.net. As the name suggests, on here you can find various forums relating to just about anything. If you click on categories, you can see what types of forums you can find, and they include computers and internet, dieting and weight loss, bodybuilding, cooking, making money online, pets, travel, relationships, vehicles and sports, and these are actually only a handful of categories this website has to offer. By clicking on Browse All Categories, you'll be able to see all of them, and there are a lot of them as you can see. However, as some of you know, we are promoting the secret tool that we're using, which is Pidera.com, which is a make money online website And so what you need to do is click on categories here and select Make Money Online. This will now show you forums that literally have hundreds of thousands of members, and all of them combined could possibly have up to 1 million and more. This forum I opened has over 350,000 members alone, and so you can see just how much potential this has. And the best part is that all of these people want to make money online, and so we know for a fact that they would be interested in a platform like Pidera. Furthermore, the amazing reviews Pidera has will also motivate the people further to try it out, since they know for a fact, thanks to the reviews, that it's a legitimate platform and not a scam as many others are, and this is how you'll be able to maximize your earnings. Anyways, to access a forum, all you need to do is open up any one of these and then find the link to the forum, which will be located somewhere around here. Now, when you open up a forum like this one here, for example, just create an account real quick, but once you do not start sharing your affiliate link immediately. You should try talking to the people first, provide some value, and only after a certain amount of time has passed will you tell them about Pidera and send them that referral link of yours. Simply repeat this process for all other forums and I can guarantee you'll start getting clicks very fast from there. An alternative I have for you guys is getting traffic through Instagram. What you can do is create some Make Money Online page on Instagram and leave your Pidera affiliate link in the bio saying something like easiest make money online. And the only thing now missing so you can make a lot of money passively would be the followers, and the best way to get followers is by paying someone to give you a shout out on this website called shoutcart.com. So yes, I am aware that the fact that this does require investment is a huge downside, but here's the upside. You can easily find people here with hundreds of thousands of followers on Instagram willing to give a shout out for as little as $10, which, let's face it, isn't a lot. Moreover, if you pay someone to give you a shout out, your Instagram page will grow immensely, and that will in turn lead to you making a lot of money and passively as well. So while this does require an investment, it's an extremely worthwhile investment and it will allow you to earn a lot more money. Something else worth noting as well is that you don't need like 50,000 followers right away. If you get as little as 2,000 or so, that's enough, because it gets much easier from there and you'll be able to reach 10,000 followers in no time. All you'd have to do in the meantime is leave post, and as far as posting is concerned, you can just type in hashtag make money online in the search bar here to find other pages in your niche and simply use their posts and then credit them when you do so. In this fashion, thanks to Shoutcart, you'll be able to build your own Instagram page, and that can make you money not only from promoting Pidera, but also giving shoutouts to other people when your page gets big enough and promoting some other offers as well. And that is it for today's video. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up to support my channel, and in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.